Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more Hogwarts Race Off. One way to do it is just by spamming it. How do I have... Bro, I literally have no internet. Bro, I literally do now. I literally have internet. How is it not letting me? Oh, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go onto the first. Oh my god. I hate the internet in my tower. In the last video, I raced a few times. This time I'm gonna try to get the D muscle. So let's do it. Little trick for this part is just to slow down. And why the heck did my own self get more boost? There we go. But yeah, I haven't been making videos that much often due to the fact that I'm very busy with my work that I have, and the fact that I am working on behind bars as well as Shadrad. And plus, it's very hard to work with two people still. And because I kind of feel bad for Battle since they are two together. But still though. Games take time and take work. It's how they run. Because the more longer it takes for it to actually be released, means that they actually put more effort into it. And that thing that I just said was true. I should have enough internet now. I should. And I do. That's good. 50. 150. Yeah. Not enough coins though. But yeah. So now I can screen record and I can record on my my cam. Which now basically I can record anything. Just without a freaking face cam, which I want a face cam. But I can't, and I wish OBS Studio was allowed on mobile, because on mobile OBS. That'd be nice. But apparently, I heard that this game isn't as popular as I thought. I mean, before when I used to love playing it, it used to be so damn popular. I mean, it was like, no, the number one. Why is, no level with any freaking... But yeah, I might just do freaking, episodes on this game. Or on other games, too. Like, maybe, small Ghostbuster games. A small Ghostbuster game would be pretty dang nice. Did I win this game? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if... Holy... Whoa! Oh my god, calm down, game. Yeah. Hogwarts Race Off is very laggy, and I don't know what the hell its problem is. might switch over to another game. Actually, I'm gonna go on the second level. I can do that. It is so damn laggy, bro. Like, I'm not even sure if it's even laggy on the actual screen. How long can I have it going on for? I cannot tell. Oh, 5 minutes. I've been going on for 5 minutes. I don't know what the heck is wrong with freaking this game, but like it's lagging so damn much. Yeah, when I start playing it's laggy, so which means the freaking screen recorder is doing it, I think. But I love the screen recorder, so it lets me do stuff like this. Boom, boom, boom. That's, like a rocket. I mean, I literally am a rocket. And now I'm going up. But yeah, there's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.